If you've ever wanted to open a link with ChatGPT, analyze a web page, or get a quick summary of an article without reading the whole thing, this video will show you exactly how to do it. It's a simple but powerful workflow, and once you learn it, you can use it for research, content ideas, studying, or checking information much faster. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy ChatGPT tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and get the link you want to use. This can be an article, a blog post, a product page, a news story, or almost any web page you want ChatGPT to help analyze. The first thing you want to do is copy the URL from your address bar. Make sure you copy the full link so ChatGPT has the exact page you want it to work with. Next, go back to ChatGPT and paste that link directly into the message box. You can simply paste the URL on its own, or you can give ChatGPT a clear instruction along with it. For example, you can type, "Summarize this article," followed by the link. You could also ask, "What are the main points on this page?" or "Read this web page and explain it in simple terms." The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. Once the link is pasted, press Enter and let ChatGPT process the request. If browsing or web access is available, ChatGPT will use the page content to help answer your question. This is great for turning long articles into short summaries, pulling out key facts, or quickly understanding what a web page is about without having to read every section yourself. Now, if ChatGPT says it can't access the internet, don't worry. That usually means the web browsing feature is turned off. In that case, you may need to enable it in your settings. Go into Settings, then look for Personalization, and then Advanced. From there, turn on Web Search. Once that setting is enabled, try pasting the link again and rerunning your prompt. It's also important to know that ChatGPT doesn't always work the same way with every link. Some pages may be blocked, some may not load properly, and some sites may be harder to read because of restrictions. If that happens, try using a cleaner article link, a public web page, or a different prompt that asks ChatGPT to focus only on a section of the page. You can also ask it to summarize, extract key points, or answer specific questions instead of just saying, "Open this link." A great tip is to combine the link with a task. For example, you can say, "Summarize this page in 5 bullet points," or "List the pros and cons from this article," or "Explain this web page like I'm a beginner." That makes ChatGPT far more useful because it knows exactly what you want it to do with the link. If you're using links for work or school, this can save you a lot of time. Instead of opening every article and reading everything manually, you can use ChatGPT to quickly scan the content and help you decide what's worth your attention. That's why this is such a useful trick for students, marketers, researchers, and everyday users. So to recap, copy the link, paste it into ChatGPT, add a clear instruction, and press Enter. If web access isn't active, enable web search and settings and try again. That's the easiest way to open links with ChatGPT and get useful answers from web pages fast. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.